Hello, everyone. I'm Arif Darzi, and the president of ITS IT UMD student chapter, with my friend Sarah, who is vice president of the chapter. We want to welcome you to University of Maryland, and today give you a brief introduction about the ITS IT UMD student chapter. For those of you who are not familiar with the ITS IT UMD student chapter, the Intelligent Transportation Society of America and Institute of Transportation Engineers, University of Maryland student chapter, is a part of Maryland ITS chapter, which is a part of ITS America. ITS IT UMD student chapter at University of Maryland is the only student chapter of ITS Maryland and now has grown to be one of the biggest student chapters in the DC area. This chapter was initiated with the effort of a group of graduate students in the Transportation Engineering program and with the support of the Transportation Group faculty at the University of Maryland, with the aim of activating the potential of transportation engineer students and serving as a bridge between the student and professionals working outside the academic world. Our chapter operates with a board consisting of graduate students elected at the beginning of each academic year by our group members who are mainly faculty and students of Transportation Engineering program at UMD. And it involves all the students and faculties in Transportation Department throughout the year in a variety of activities. ITSMD student chapter is now sponsored by Maryland Transportation Institute, MTI, for its main activities. These activities include holding seminars with guest speakers from academic and non-academic organizations around the world, social events such as beginning and end of the semester parties, picnics, sports events, and informal student gatherings. Activities of the student chapters involve students and help to build a warm and friendly environment among students and faculty of transportation group, along with other related groups in civil and environmental engineering department, as well as building many links between the students of UMD and transportation professionals and academicians from all around the world. ITSMD student chapter is main force in shaping the big transportation family of UMD. Now, I'm going to pass it to Sarah to give you a brief summary of our activities during this semester. We all know that this semester is going to be totally different from our previous experience, but we're trying our best to keep up with the new restrictions amid COVID-19.
Yeah, thanks, Arif. Hi, everybody, and welcome to the University of Maryland. Yeah, it's not going to be like before, but we're still doing our best to do as much as activities we used to do and even more. So the first event we are going to have is a welcome happy hour being held in a week from now, close to the end of September. We are going to talk about our chapter in that event and ask you to join us or even nominate yourself to become an ITS IT UMD student chapter officer. And then as usual of every year, we are going to have an election to elect a new team of officers by the end of this month. And then the new team are going to start their work by the first week of October. And after that, to facilitate their work, we have already planned two events for the next year. The first one is going to be a COVID-19 and mobility behavior seminar performed by a speaker from Maryland Transportation Institute, MTI, and they're going to talk about University of Maryland COVID-19 impact analysis platform, and I highly recommend you to join that meeting. It's going to be a technical and also a technical meeting, and also talking about how transportation behavior has changed after COVID-19. So it's going to be very interesting. And also we are going to have a seminar with a joint technical meeting with WDCIT and ITS Maryland, which includes a resume workshop and two technical meetings. The resume workshop is really good for those who want to follow in their career in specifically transportation. It's a good seminar to join. And after that, there are going to be multiple seminar, and it depends on new team who are joining us. Yeah, that's it.
Yep. Thank you, Sarah. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions, and we're looking forward to having you as our members in our student chapter as well. Have a
Yeah,
great start of the semester.
bye.